guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today, I will teach you how to hydrate your skin. It is because in the past weeks, the weather has been cold. Especially, I started having dry skin nowadays everywhere. Especially on my face, I have those white skin patches that it wants to peel off, and I also have dry scalp because of dry skin. Also on the hands that I have some white peeled off skin over there. As you see in the Sailor Moon video, during the lips part in putting the lipstick, you could see the chapped lips because the skin has been dividing into many parts, like it wants to peel off. That's the time I'm gonna show you how to moisturize your skin. Let's start the face first. I use Rise Ceramide Moisturizer before putting the makeup so that the face will stay hydrated. Especially it moisturizes the dry skin. It can be used as a primer also. As you see in the makeup tutorials, I always use this primer because it blends evenly, especially it gives that glow to your face. What I am gonna do is to apply an equal amount on the fingers. Then I will also put on the other finger so to be equal like this. Then just rub it gently. Make sure that you just press it up so that the skin won't sag. You can apply also this at the neck. Now, the skin is moisturized on the face. For the lips part, I use lip balm. Actually, it comes in the pack. I don't know where the third one go because it has 3 pieces of lip balm inside the container. And I have been using this in the makeup tutorial. As you see in the Sailor Moon makeup tutorial on the lips part, you could see that the lips is also glowing. It is because I put lip balm. Not only in that tutorial, it's also in every makeup tutorials I do. I also put this every day even though I don't put my makeup so that the lips will stay hydrated. They really smell so good. And this is the strawberry lip balm. It also smells like strawberry, which is really nice. The next part I will show you to moisturize the skin is on the hands first. I'm using Body Shop Strawberry Hand Cream with color pressed strawberry seed oil. Actually, this is my first time using it because I still have lotion here, which is Bench Organics Bamboo and Green Tea Body Lotion, which I apply for the whole body. So, let's test it out. So, I just put a little bit, as you can see on the screen, then just blend it right away and rub it in both of your hands. Just put an equal amount because it's a hand cream. Then when there's too much cream you accidentally place it, you could spread it out to the whole arms. Actually, what I like about this, as I used it for the first time, it is also herbal because it has the strawberry seed oil to keep the hands glowing also. And it also removes the dead skin cells of the fingers. I use this after I wash up because there's a tendency when you wash up, your skin will get dry and there will be some parts that will be peeling off. So it's really important to moisturize your skin. Then let's test the Bench Organics Bamboo and Green Tea Body Lotion. So I'm gonna also demonstrate it at my arms here because I already put the hand cream over here. And actually, this is the lotion I used during my school days since I think junior high school, so that it will stay hydrated for the whole day. Then as you can see, it glowing already after I put the body lotion, because sometimes I also have unwanted scratches from everywhere, especially when you hit from the pointed part of the furniture. You'll have that white scratch over there. So that's why it's really important to put body lotion around your arms and legs. Then the last part in moisturizing your skin is to drink water always, because the more you drink water, the more it will hydrate your skin also. Because if you don't drink much water, it will cause dehydration. Dry skin is one of the symptoms of it, especially the lips will get dry. That's why it's important to drink water so that it smoothens the skin and will also hydrate yourself to energize and start the day well. That's all for today, and I hope this tutorial in moisturizing your skin will help you. Please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget also to follow my social media accounts. That's all for today, and see you soon. Goodbye!